coming. And Alex coming, and when Alex is going, he's still on his home, and so kill Buddy and kill Bobby and kill the house, and I got run away. Fight Mike. Kill Mike.
Mike?
Yeah, kill Mike.
Who's Mike?
Kill Mike later. Huh?
Okay.
And Darren was a monster.
Darren was a monster?
Yeah.
Okay.
And you can get me. I hide on the chair. Huh?
And who was the princess?
Yeah.
I was the princess.
Yeah.
So what was the princess' name?
Another.
And who was Alec?
I can't remember.
Was he the prince?
I can't remember.
You can't remember?
No.
Okay. Come on, tell me a story.
Okay. One of them is the Alec and Dot. Mommy and Alec go to kill you. Huh?
Got to kill me?
Yeah. Huh?
Okay.
Not you. You got hurt here. Huh?
Pardon?
Alec, Mommy, I got to kill you. Okay?
Okay.
And you gotta watch when you Mommy wake up.
I wake up.
Yeah. And don't die.
Who died?
Yeah. Don't die.
Don't die.
Please don't die. Okay?
Okay.
Now it's your turn.
Huh?
Now your turn.
No, you tell me a story.
I can't.
No.
Your turn.
Now sing a song. No.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday for Mommy. Happy birthday to you.
Yay.
Blow.
You blow. No.
Now your turn.
No.
Now your turn.
Now you're gonna sing another song.
Each one put about that.
Okay. No, sing.
Now you're singing here. Huh?
Let's sing in Spanish.
Yeah.
Okay, sit down.
Papa Delta. Huh?
That's not Spanish. Ahora.
Hola.
No. Un elefante se balanceaba sobre la tela de una araña. Como veía que no se caía, fueron a llamar otro elefante. No, más. Ahora, Sean.
Uno, dos,
Elefantes se balanceaban. Yo no te canto tú. Vamos de paseo.
Beep, beep, beep.
En un auto viejo.
Beep, beep, beep.
Pero no me importa.
Beep, beep, beep.
Porque llevo
bota.
torta.
Bota.
No, Sean.
Dog. You don't save it. Dog. Don't save it.
Cántame la ABC. Cántame la ABC.
Baby.
No, ABC.
take
No.
a picture of my foot.
1, 2.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Go.
Alright, enough.
The white wheel.
No.
Yes.